Hello everyone, welcome back to this data science series. In this lecture, we are going to cover name-based classification in data science. In the previous lectures we have learned about a classification model which is decision trees. But it is not just one method for classification. There are many other methods, and one of them is name-based classification. So let's have a look on name-based classification. What is name-based classification and how is it used? But first, let's note that it is a simple yet effective method and it have a wide range of applicability. Um, and also, it is feature independence and uses class prior probability. Now, let me give you a deja vu. Go back to your class 12, where we have learned about conditional probability and Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem, conditional probability, सुना सुना सा लग रहा है, right? But these are not just the things which I am giving you for your nostalgia. These will be used. Yes, Bayes theorem is used in name-based classification, which uses conditional probability. Let's have a look on Bayes theorem, which is P A conditional B, B conditional A into P A and upon PB, where P is probability. Let's step by step understand this Bayes theorem because I know many of us have forgotten it. But yes, let us understand it now. Recall it now. First is P A by B, which is the conditional probability. It is the conditional probability of event A happening, given that event B has already happened. Here is a condition that if P has happened, then P A will happen. The probability of happening of event A if event B has already happened. Now, P of B by A is just the opposite of what we have discussed. It is the probability of happening of event B if already event A has occurred or happened. PA is the probability of happening of an event A and PB is represents the prior probability of event B happening. Now, let's have a look of how to apply name-based classification in Python. First, we have to import the libraries. Then we have to load and prepare the data. And then we have to train and evaluate. Let's have a look on the code. Okay, so this is our code. From sklearn datasets, we are importing these from these packages, like from sklearn.dataset we are importing load.ids and so on. Then we are loading the dataset, iris dataset. Then we are splitting the data into testing sets and initializing the naive model by GNB equals to Gaussian NB, because from these packages, from what we have imported, these are the functions provided by these packages to perform this naive based classification more easily. This is the model, this is the code, and this is what we get as output. Here we have evaluated the model, predicted the test set. This is what we get. Now going back to our PPT. Before that, we can have these precision, recall, F1 score, and support as the performance matrices which can evaluate our model, and these are the classification report. It can handle categorical and continuous features. Also, accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score can be used for as evaluation matrices. And all these four are explained in the previous video. Now we have covered name-based classification in this lecture. We will learn about neural networks in another lecture. In the next lecture, we will cover neural networks. Thank you for watching this video.